How's it going, everybody? And welcome back to another episode of Shannon's Garage Australia. So, as you can see behind me, I have the wife's car out. Now, we need to do a headlight replacement on that before we get stuck into the little blue one, and probably put a set of coilovers and some 18-inch wheels on it. First, I need to do the wife's car because, the halos and the daylight running lights have decided just to stop working. So, yay. Already purchased a second-hand headlight, which needs a polish and a buff and all that kind of stuff, but got one anyway. But let's get this thing in there and let's get going. All right, so this is the reason why we're doing a headlight change. As you can see, that one there is very bad. It is absolutely cactus. The daylight running lights have gone in it as well, and it is completely crazed up. Now, there's a few things we have to do. Take the whole bumper off first. So inside here, there is a couple of 8mm bolts. We undo those. Same again on this side, a couple of 8mm bolts in there. There's a couple of screws up behind here that we need to get to. All right, so once they're off, we then go up underneath the car, undo the 4 bolts that hold the lower lip onto the gravel tray underneath. And then we do the top, which looks like Dad's already starting the top. All right, let's get into it. All right, so there you go, bumper removal done. Only takes about 15-20 minutes. Now we have bolts in here, bolts under here, bolts in here, and bolts across the top, and then this whole section of the front headlight, including a little bracket, all come out. It's a lot of fun, and then we'll replace this headlight with the new one. All right, well, that took a fair bit longer than what I thought it was going to. That headlight was an absolute pain in the ass to get out. There was one bolt, if you have a look, right here that you can barely see and barely get to get it out. But it's there, it's now out. Now
I think you're talking about.
Now we replace.
Here.
Yeah, it's that one there.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So now we replace the little plastic trim onto the new headlight, and then we'll put it in the car. That's one. We'll come around this side and we'll do this one here. That's it. All right, headlight's ready to go back in. All right, and that's all done. Bumpers back on, headlights in, headlights work, which is fantastic. Same with the day running lights, they're working now too. Now what we are gonna do, we're gonna duck out to Super Cheap and grab a headlight polishing kit because it does need it. As you can see, it's still a bit foggy, but at least it's working. That's the main thing, it's working, everything's good on it. So that'll keep the boss happy. You know, as they say, boys and girls, Happy wife, happy life. Sometimes. Anyway, let's head down to Super Cheap, come back. When I return, we will be polishing both the headlights. That one's not too bad. It is a bit dull still though, but definitely that one. Give them a good clean up, good polish, ceramic coat them, and then they will be done and she'll be happy. All right, let's head off to Super Cheap.
2 hours later.
All right, so this is the stuff that I'm going to use to clean the headlights. It's the Meguiar's Basic Headlight Restoration Kit. Comes with a couple little polishing pads, some sanding pads and some polishing cream. And that should take these and make them look brand new again. Well, fingers crossed anyway. Now, this is not a sponsored thing by Meguiar's, just to let you know. Although Meguiar's, if you are watching this video, hit us up. Be happy to do something with yous. Meguiar's Basic Headlight Restoration Kit. Get yours for only $54.99 at any Super Cheap near you. So this is everything you're going to need to polish your headlights and restore them. Some masking tape to mask off the body, some water in a little squeezy bottle to rinse down the headlights, your kit, which comes with the 3 pads, your microfiber cloth and your polish, and a whole bunch of elbow grease and time. All right, so let's set time lapse up. We'll mask all this off. We'll get into it. Okay, well, that is stage 1 complete. As you can see, they're nice and matte finished. Clear, not so clear. All right, now we do stage 2, then there's stage 3, and then the polishing. So, yeah, let's keep on going. All right, so as you can see, that's one done. Now I'm gonna get onto the other side. Now the other side's nowhere near as bad, so I'm not gonna do the full 4 stage. I'm literally just gonna do stage 3 and 4, and that's it. Because the other side, as you can see, is actually a lot better. Doesn't need the full sand down and away you go. But I'll put it on, put the camera on so you can watch. We'll get that side quickly knocked over. Then we'll take it outside, give the car a bit of a bath because she's a bit filthy. And then that'll be a wrap. All right, well, that's both sides now done. As you can see, looking good and shiny. All right, now I have to head off for the day. I've got karate with the kids, so I'm gonna have to call this episode a bit shorter than usual. But as always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Continue watching. There's some exciting stuff coming up in the near future. I've got a few more different builds. We might be branching away from BMWs yet. We'll just have to wait and see. But you guys, let me know what you think. Should I stick to the old BMWs that you guys have come accustomed to watching? Or should I branch out and maybe get into a bit of, you know, Australian muscle or JDM stuff, you know? Just let me know. But as always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. If you haven't already, go and check me out on Instagram at Shannon's Garage Australia. And guys, until the next time, stay cool.